everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ani, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the flash warning challenge. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you every step. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your TikTok app. And as you can see, this is my profile, and I'm going to start a new TikTok. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to find the flash warning effect. So you're gonna go into your effects, and you're gonna look for the black box that says flash warning. Now, you might wanna save it also, just like I did, so that way it's easier to reference. And then you want to go ahead and record at least, I wanna say a 20-second to 30-second video of you just doing the flash warning. So you get all your poses and really cute stuff in there. And then once you're ready to stop, you can go ahead and post it privately, and then it'll save to your TL and your phone, okay? Next step is going to be to pick your sound. Now I'm going to mute my sound just because copyright. So the name of the sound for this is the EA by Young Nudie Instrumental. So you should see the guy on there. It's about 21 seconds. And then you can go ahead and select your sound. Make sure that you are in video mode and also in camera mode and not story mode, okay? You will not be able to go back and edit your videos if you're in story mode, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start our timer. And the beginning part is, hey, yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? So I'm going to literally go all the way up until he finishes saying, yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Actually 5.2 seconds, but now that I'm ready to go ahead and start recording, you can start your countdown. Yo, yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? All right. So now that I have my first half done, I'm gonna go ahead and switch effects. Now this is the tricky part because a lot of people have different ways of doing it, but this is the easiest way. So you're going to select your green screen video. Side note, this is the green screen effect and what it looks like. If you guys do not know how to use it, I do have a more in-depth tutorial posted. The one thing I will say is you do not need a light. So just make sure you don't have anything in your background that will distort, okay? So click this right here, and then this is the way that you choose your videos here. If you want to add a different one, you click this plus sign, but the most recent should pop up. This is a video. If you want the photos, you can also reference a video back on my channel. The photos does not have a play sign on it. So that's the difference. So I have my 30-second video. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And I'm going to trim it based on how many seconds I want to use and where you want to use it. So it depends on which angle you want. The best part about the 30 seconds is you get to kind of pick which one you want. Matter of fact, let's do that up close. So I would maybe give myself about 3 or 4 seconds. That way you can go back and trim it based on how you want, but I have it set for 3.9 seconds. So I'm gonna hit next, and I'm going to step out of the limelight, and I'm gonna be prepared to record. All right, now I'm gonna go back to not using my green screen mode, and I'm going to continue recording as if everything is normal. So I'm gonna go to my timer, set it at about 9.8 seconds. So now you can start your countdown again, and I'm going to pull my hand back as if I'm surprised at who I became. All right, so now I'm gonna continue to use my green screen video again. I'm gonna select it, go back to my 30-second video, and select another portion of the video that I like. Yeah, let's give me about 3.5 seconds. You always want to give yourself a little bit more just in case you need to trim any off, and just in case you need to add any more. Okay, so now we're gonna click next. And I am going to yet again record my green screen with my timer. Now make sure you guys are on beat with the sound so that way you have the best result. All right. So that was about 10.5 seconds. Depending upon how long you're trying to use the sound, it determines, how long you want to add this effect. But lastly, we're going to go ahead and delete our green screen again and go back to doing the exact same thing as before, being surprised at who I am. Okay, so basically, long story short, you're gonna go back and forth between your green screen and your regular TikTok video. Please don't forget to make sure that your transitions are clean. So just make sure it's to the beat and that you time it properly. All right, guys, so now you know how to use the flash warning effect. I'm gonna show you guys my full one so that way you can kind of see how it turned out. Yo, hey, Opia, you wanna come out here? Okay, copyright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There will definitely be more TikTok videos coming soon. So if you guys see something that you do not know how to do, let me know because I spend a lot of time trying to figure this out for you guys. So I love you so much. I will see you next time and peace.